My name is Rodney Herrington. I'm the CEO and founder of Aqua Research, a company I founded in 2010. We focus on developing electrolytic-based technologies to make chlorine for treatment of drinking water and for sanitation and healthcare facilities and things like that. We've already developed and deployed. It's out there in the world, lots of different places, making safe water for people in disasters and developing countries. It uses common salt, a rechargeable battery, and a solar panel to recharge it. The only consumable is salt, and it automatically calculates the correct dose for the volume of water you've selected. So it'll make 10 gallons a day of safe water for 10 years at a price of 50 cents a year in common salt. We also have a stream system, which is a community-based chlorination system that makes enough chlorine to sanitize healthcare facilities and to treat 60,000 gallons of water a day, that's a large family swimming pool, for drinking water purposes. So in this Imagine H2O proposal, we're planning to work exclusively on a rooftop storage tank system. It's a rooftop disinfection system, that uses electrochlorination to treat the water that is entering either rooftop storage tanks or rainwater collection tanks or other types of storage tanks in urban areas. So our objective is to get the technology developed. We're comfortable we can do that technically because we've done it before with other technologies. And we want to work with companies like Rotoplas in Mexico City who have said they want to work with us on distribution of this technology in a lot of different urban areas. So there are millions of rooftop storage tanks in Mexico City and all over Central and South America and Southeast Asia. People get that water in those tanks from municipalities that deliver that water overnight, and they can't maintain the water pressure in the system because of leaks in distribution piping. So they only fill those tanks about 2 hours during the night. And the people know not to trust the water because it's leaked out of piping, come back in the piping, contaminated, and goes into their tanks. Likewise, in rainwater collection systems out in areas, people are collecting rainwater runoff from roofs with all kinds of things in the water, and our chlorination technology will treat that water. We plan to work with organizations like PATH out of Seattle. We're already working with them on other technologies, and their job is to help companies evaluate technology in the field, work with regulatory officials in various countries all over the world, and to evaluate the effectiveness of that technology for the populations we're trying to serve. So all those associations are already in place. We have a lot of connections with NGOs to help get this deployed as well. But our strategy is to work with distributors who already do rooftop storage tank systems and work through their distribution networks. We're not trying to recreate the distribution network. So in any event, our work with Imagine H2O is very exciting. We look forward to working with the organization to get this technology deployed to help millions of people in urban settings have safe water.